Hello, fellow cruise enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of senior cruise discounts. If you're 55 or older, you're in for a treat. Let's explore how to make your dream cruise more affordable. First, let's look at the cruise lines offering the best senior discounts. 1. Carnival Cruise Line, 55 plus discounts on select sailings. 2. Celebrity Cruises, discounted fares for 55 plus. 3. Norwegian Cruise Line, age 55 plus discount option. 4. Royal Caribbean, senior pricing for 55 plus. 5. MSC Cruises, up to 10% off for 65 plus. Now, when should you book to get the best deals? Mark your calendars for these key periods. Wave season, January to March. Off-peak seasons, varies by destination. Last-minute deals within 90 days of sailing. Let's talk destinations. For Caribbean cruises, look for deals in fall and winter, excluding holidays. Alaska? Try booking in April or May for better rates and smaller crowds. Now, how do you find these amazing discounts? Here are some tips. 1. Check cruise line websites for senior sections. 2. Use your AARP membership for exclusive deals. 3. Be flexible with dates and itineraries. 4. Consider group travel for additional savings. 5. Use a travel agent specializing in senior cruises. 6. Browse websites like Cruise Critic for current deals. Once you've booked your discounted cruise, here are some tips for a great experience. 1. Pack comfortable clothing and shoes. 2. Inform the cruise line of any special needs. 3. Consider travel insurance. 4. Take advantage of onboard enrichment programs. 5. Pace yourself and don't overbook activities. Remember, the key to finding the best senior cruise discounts is flexibility and research. Don't be afraid to compare offers and ask questions. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream cruise today and sail away into the sunset at a discount. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and happy cruising.
Be strong.